Stuff you can do with high level that a lot of people don't tell you. All right. So in your settings, I'm gonna show you something real cool. So in your account, if you go to settings and you hit domain URL redirects, go over here and go to URL to redirects, right? And so what I am going to do, I am going to set a meeting that goes to my Zoom. So I'm gonna say redirect. It's gonna let you create your domain. Okay, D Lady Hell is one of my branded domains, and it's gonna say redirect. I'm going to redirect it to my Zoom meeting. And then I'm just going to label this meet with me. Okay? So I know when I put theladyhell.com meet with me, it's going to go to my Zoom. And I'm going to add a redirect, okay? So once I have added that redirect, I can now go into my browser and go theladyhell.com/meet with me. Boom, and it goes to my Zoom. Okay, there you go. A 1 minute stuff you can use. And guess what? You're like, whoa, that's cool. Lady Hell, I need GHL. Well, I got a really great thing for you. You can sign up under my GHL link, okay? My friends over there at High Level, like, yo, Lady Hell, whoever you invite over here, we're going to give 30 days for absolutely free. And guess what? I'm going to send you some extra bonuses and stuff like some extra training and whatnot. And also, I'm going to let you meet with my staff twice a month so they can help you get all this stuff set up. All right. Well, sign up below with me. Remember, don't have your ad blocker on, nothing like that. Make sure you sign up because if I don't see your email, guess what? We can't help you. But yeah, until next time, God bless.